And this is how it looks like in winters. Make sure that you have these kinds of shoes so that you can walk on the snow, and the jacket like this so that you can actually roll in the snow, and a hat like this, like a Russian style with lots of hair so that you are well protected by the wind. And that's it, nothing else. So enough of fun over there, and now let's get into the practical packing list. See, this place represents perfectly the weather that you will be experiencing in Germany. As you can see, I have this check muffler, and it's like a big, so it's like a shawl as well. So for guys, they can have like a bigger muffler. In India, we usually get like the smaller one because we don't really experience that much of cold. Just try to get your hands on to something which is a little longer, and so that you can actually drape it if it's too cold. According to me, I would prefer you to have a jacket which is like a mid-thigh length so that you are covered well until your knees. Besides that, talking about the material, it should be waterproof, windproof, so that you can use it in all type of weather condition. Go for the jackets that are more heat technology based, because there are some puffed jackets that comes and they are really heavy. So I will not recommend you to carry those, because then it will be too heavy for your baggage. And for your jackets, make sure they have like a crimped, narrow, like so that it can stop the wind, more packed, sealed, no wind, nothing is going inside, and it can actually insulate you very well. Of course, you need some gloves. I prefer more like not these woolen ones, but the same material like your jacket. Then that's it. So this is my jacket that I would recommend you, and you can go for any color, black and white. For sure you need some pockets then to keep your mobile phones. And while I'm talking about the phones, make sure that your gloves are also having those features which can actually assist you to operate your phone as well while you are wearing them. Do not wear something which is very bright, because you will be just flashing in the crowd. Let's come on to the another very important thing, that's the shoes. So for the women, I would recommend you to buy sports shoes and a boot, and also a nice flip-flop for the summer so that you can go to the beach. But for the winters, I would recommend you to have a knee-high boot or a really nice like ankle length boot. And even for guys, like ankle length boot will help you to again keep you warm. And then for the sole, you have to be very so there are two things that you have to keep in mind while you're selecting your footwear, is that the surface needs to have in my shoes it has, but your surface needs to have some grip so that you are not slipping when it actually snows.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.